Order the product.
You are done? Now I don't begin when you want. You come, put it. Get a clear view. Tomorrow, you put there. Put there. Get a clear view.
That is F3, F4, S5, S6.
I appear for F4. This is Francis Xavier Wado, who appears for F.
Nobody will not get a report. Then,
Not guilty.
so we have not get it also. Yeah, have you understood the charge? What do you have to say about the charge? We have not get it.
I appear for F4.
Stated that on the 4th day of January 2022 at State House and Corruption Unit in the Kampala district, knowingly and fraudulently altered the policy document to which land sales agreement for 8 acres of land comprised on block 191.275 Chabu, purporting that the same had been signed by Sarah Mlila as vendor, whereas not. Such movements of okubiri mwaka wa 2021 mkono ya mkono n'ekobana okuusa omusango ogw'okujingirira endagaano y'okufunda ettaka ng'ezigenda z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogwokubiri mwaka wa 2020 in Kampala district, knowing and fraudulently altered the false document to which land sales agreement as vendor, whereas not.
The indicated entry is still at large. They're tracing for you. Entry is still at large. The matter is adjourned. The friends for a very short adjournment of a few days. Such that day one can also appear technically. That is she's in remand, but on remand in Brazil. Another charges.
I will not make submissions on the state's friend. F4, we have 3 sureties in court.
Lwasobola kere Ssaabagayinga waliwo abeeyimirize bassatu properties.
The first is Isagi.
Let us consider two.
Most of that. You know, we have Isagi. The status of F4, which is clearly stated out in the charge sheet, is an advocate of the High Court of Uganda, 9, 100, CA, 5J.
Zero 754.
The telephone contact is 0772 100 capital Z capital.
None has produced a workplace ID. None has produced evidence that they are actually. In case the accused persons abscond and assure the accused have indicated that they are being reported on one. That may be true. However, the documents they have availed the state were only presented to us in court, has not had a chance to verify them, and neither has court had a chance to verify these documents.
And it is our submission that upon indication of the charge sheet, the state had actually verified that there are residents in those areas. So to request for land titles, utility bills, Your Honor, is just a move aimed at further infringing on the rights of the accused person. Your Honor, we submit that the residences that were stated in the charge sheet by the state itself, upon preferring charges, are the residences of the accused person.
Effects. You wait the law.